Hello, myself Veda Limeshwari. A warm welcome to our talk show. So, ma'am, a very good morning to you.
Good morning, ma'am, and I'm very grateful to be here with you.
Okay, can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, for sure, ma'am. My name is Komal, and my child is studying in class nursery, Pratishtha Mathur. So, first of all, I would like to say thanks to you all. I am very grateful that she is studying here.
Can you tell me, did your child is enjoying phonics at home?
Yeah, yeah, she's enjoying phonics because phonics is very important. It helps child to speak, write, and understanding the words.
Okay.
So, as well as for us, it's very important. You know, the last time that phonics were
एक
not
सेकंड मैम
introduced.
हेलो जी मैम
Okay, ma'am, can you tell me, did your child enjoy phonics at home?
Yes, she is enjoying the phonics as well as we also enjoying phonics because it's very important. It help a child to speak, understanding the word, and many more things. Like it's built their confidence too. Because if he is not know how to pronounce the word, so it's very difficult for them. Because if she is uh, you know pronunciate the word wrong, so it maybe the confidence will be low
Okay.
somehow.
The method which we are using, like CVC and then phonic and then reading part.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like that method?
Yeah, definitely, because I know the what modus operandi you people are using to teach them. That is totally, incredible, and it's a positive effect on my child
Okay.
because she know she's studying in nursery and she know how to, read the word. Because when we are studying in nursery, we really don't know how to pronounce the three-letter words. So it's incredible for my side.
Okay, wow. Good to hear, ma'am. Now, next question I will ask that do you what is your opinion about charity?
Yeah, charity is if the school will be organize a charity programs, that will be very good because my child is learning sharing, kindness, as well as social responsibilities at early age. So it's a very good, or even a good step for the school, as well as my child also learning many more things.
Okay, means you want to say the moral values they are adopting
Yeah,
from this
definitely.
charity program, and we are also organizing the charity during Christmas, Diwali. Did she had attended any
Yeah,
of
yeah,
the?
she has attended many more programs
Okay.
in the school, and we are glad that she is. We are also have some contribution that she for the good works.
Okay. On Diwali, ma'am, we are telling the child to make a video for buying diyas and all. They are going to meet the local vendors. Do you think that is effective for the child?
Yeah, definitely, because they know how to talk with the people with the kindness. They are learning that local vendor are very important for our country, even for them, because the per capita income will be increased. We are purchasing the things from the vendors, local vendors.
Wow. And now, ma'am, the activities which we are doing for the academics and the dance, swimming, is she is enjoying that activities?
Yeah, definitely she is enjoying, as well as the physically activeness that she is founding from that activities, that she is physically present in presence of mind and attentiveness, everything she is learning from that, and these are very effective for her.
Okay. Are you happy with the teachers working?
Yeah, it's a very good thing that she gives the personal attention to my child, as
Okay.
well as she is loving, caring, and they are learning many more things beyond the classroom with the
Okay.
teachers.
Okay. Do you find any kind of problem to interact with the administration or teachers or anything else like this?
Not now, because I have some problem with the administration block, as I have told to the upper management, and they are changes the things that which is good for the parents as well as the management too.
Okay. So, ma'am, our big program, a big event we are organizing, Genesis.
Mhm.
Uh, your child is participating in that? or
Yeah,
not?
she is participating in that.
Participating. Okay. So, what is your thought about that program?
Yeah, because that program is very important, as well as it take out the fear from the child. If they are interacting with the other activities, they know you know how to shape their future or shape their things in the future. So they are, very good for my side.
Okay. As I heard your thoughts, so I think you are liking the school very much. Will you recommend this school to anyone else also?
Yeah, definitely. If I have upcoming childrens of my too, so definitely I will take the admission on the same school.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. And this will be the end of our episode. Thank you for spending your time with us. Take care. Stay curious. Stay tuned until the next time. And keep the conversation going. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you for calling me.